Now just walk around in the puddles. Look, those are my boots, by the way. Because he doesn't have any boots. Yes, I'm wearing shoes. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. That is because I know you like puddles. Yeah. I make you the video of him because I can't.
That's it?
Nope. We still have we have 3 minutes. And you could like go over here. I caught everything on camera. Yeah, do a run. Do a run through. Yes. Magnificent, Dorling. Do it again. Wonderful. 10 out of 10. Now jump. Oh. I was gonna have you like jump in the puddle and jump in this big puddle. Run and start and jump. Wow, that was huge.
Can I do that again?
Yeah. As many times as you want, bud. You know, this whole 3 minutes thing kind of got me thinking. We're going to be sitting here for 3 minutes just watching him. I don't know. Let's run away from him! Ah, no, it's the wet monster! Alright, quickly, get your boot back on. Did your sock get wet?
No.
Okay, good.
Run!
I'm going to get you. Okay. Run through all the puddles. Then do that, then go there. Go there. Watch this.
Can I do that?
It's called a ripple effect. I think that's what it's called. Let me know in the comments if that's called a ripple effect.
Yeah, it's called a ripple effect.
Now do it over here.
On the worm?
Now watch this. You're gonna jump like that, all right? Yeah, jump. I mean, yeah, you could. Oh well. Bye, y'all. We'll see you.